I forgot a lot of Campari tomatoes. Yeah, Campari tomatoes. Sorry for my grammar. And capers. Yep, you can see. This is we're doing real children. You know my favorite. We don't do funny balloons. No performative. How your sister? Praise the Lord. Yeah, now we're doing real. How are you, sister? I'm suffering. I'm grieving. I feel like a big loser, victorious loser. Yeah. All of my family members is gone. Yeah. I know I'm not the only one. This keeps me going. You get that? Yeah. Not suicidal. Oh no. No, no, no. We got victory. You see? From our misery, always best victory. How you can know my strength if I'm funny baloney like a sisters or brothers? Now we acknowledge our feelings. We don't give this cognitive dissonance. God will help us. Yeah, God helps all of us to breathe. Now breathe in, breathe out. And I'm going now because my hubby will kill me. He's still kicking it. No worries. Full-time engineer. A little coughing, a lot of coughing, insomnia, because when we suffer, I suffer too, including my own flesh carnality. Oh, holy gravitation. Hell no. We're doing elevation. Hell no. And bye, bye, bye. Yeah, this is my sister-in-law, but rarely hear her, but she gave me this. She honored me. Yep,